So greetings, guys. How you guys are doing? Um, man, today is very, very interesting, given the fact that CNC. Um, check this out, guys. What they're planning on doing with the New York Stock Exchange is they're planning on expanding the hours. So it's going to be 22 hours where you can actually trade. Now, does that affect the big banks, the hedge funds, the big institutions, the brokers, or does it affect the retail sellers or the retail traders? Sorry. Um, and so, guys, honestly and truly, man, it's very very this this could be a very very interesting situation that's actually taking place. Now, this is the problem for the retail traders, right? Where the issue comes in at is that they really don't care about you like that, and it's just it's sad, but it's just the honest truth. And why do I feel like that? Because they're opening up a market, right, for 22 hours, where you can actually trade for 22 hours in the New York Stock Exchange, right? And what's going on is the market is going to be very, very thin around those hours, which means it's going to put the brokers in a better place because now the spread is going to be much higher, which means they're going to charge you a lot more, right? The regulated brokers are going to charge you a lot more to trade in those after hours. Now, they may say that it's not after hours. They're not going to allow it to be after hours because they're going to make the 22 hours, normal, right? But the problem is that around that time, you have sessions where, like the London session, you'll be able to, kind of dive into a diverse kind of trading, and not so much of just the U.S. Trading with those hours. So that can bring a little issue when it comes down to the retail traders because, again, the market is going to be very, very thin, and the spread is going to be very, very extremely high, which means those brokers are going to tax you so much when you're going to be trading around those time frames. So you guys let me know what you think about it. Let me know in the comments how you feel. This is just my personal thought process. They don't really care about you. They want you to kind of put your money out there and do what you do. I don't think that this is in favor of the retail traders. I think this is in favor of the brokers, the big institutes. That's just my personal opinion. But you guys, let me know what you guys think. Let me know you guys' thoughts about it. Man, I'm gonna say trade with caution, learn the skill set, get the knowledge that you need, and guys, don't leave no money on the table. All right, don't leave no money on the table. All right, when you see a trade, you see some profits, take the profits. All right, this is a very, very, very intense time to start trading. I think that the market is doing very, very good right about now because we do have election that's coming up for the United States based off of presidency. So I do think that the market is doing pretty, pretty good right now. It's a very, very volatile area, very, very volatile time at the moment. I can't say what the market is going to be doing given the fact that it's just one day. All right, the market is trying to correct itself from the previous disaster that we have been having, if you guys have been paying attention to the New York Stock Exchange, right? So at this current moment, everything is doing pretty good, but it's just one day, and so I can't really reflect on one day. I have to see how the market is going. But what I am honestly predicting, guys, it looks like for the retail traders, they're definitely trying to put us inside this loophole to drown. And so we have to be a lot more smarter with how we invest. We have to be a lot more smarter with the way we trade. Get down into your studies, okay? Study these markets, study the technical analysis and the fundamentals, right? Listen, guys, it is very, very important. Don't just mark up charts. All right, it is very, very important. When I say important, I'm talking about important like never before. It is important to listen to these news, the economic news. Listen to the fundamentals of what's going on and what they're speaking about and how they feel. It is important to listen to them. All right, and when I make a statement and say listen to them, I want you to listen to them with extreme cautious. Okay, listen to them and learn. I'm not telling you do what they tell you to do. Listen to me carefully when I make this statement. Listen to them and learn. I hope you can read between the lines. All right? Just understand that they're not in your favor. Okay? Hope that makes sense to you. But listen to learn. Okay? Get the knowledge that you need when they're speaking. Go into your technical analysis. Mark up these charts and study verbatim. Okay? Even if you have to study, record what you study, start it over, or refresh the chart, reset the chart, and do the same setup again just to make sure that your confirmation is valid enough to when you go and buy into that market or you go and sell into that market, you know exactly that your profits is coming. And guys, do not look to become rich overnight. Okay? This is what they look at traders as. They look at traders as being risky people, right, that does not want to invest and take time with wealth. All right, we have a very, very terrible name on us. All right, they're looking at us as though we are the type of people that want fast money and we want it now. And guys, they're playing against that. All right, because investors, right, they take their time with their wealth. Right, they're investing and they're looking at a long-term investment. You know, opposed to traders, we're looking for a fast return. Guys, do not fall into the rabbit's hole. Please. All right? You guys be good. Blessings and abundance to you guys. We'll see you at the top because the bottom is just too crowded. Guys, let me know in the comments what you think. Like, subscribe, and follow. Okay, guys? Follow what we have next coming. We'll see you guys. We out.